It's amazing to meet you. It is simply extraordinary. Maybe this will all make sense if I explain who I am. My name is Dr. Ellie Staple, and I'm a psychiatrist. My work concerns a particular type of delusion of grandeur. I specialize in those individuals who believe they are superheroes.
Good for you.
Convinced yourselves you have extraordinary gifts like something out of a comic book. David Dunn, the only person to survive that train wreck all those years ago. I believe you are exceptionally strong, but there are men who are as strong as you. You think you have superpowers.
It's a feeling. I have to touch them. My name is Patricia.
I have no question there are 24 identities that live in that body with you.
The beast is coming any minute now for you guys.
But what I am questioning is your belief that you are something more than human.
My bones break easily. I've had 94 breaks in my life.
But you have an extraordinary IQ.
No way.
And yet, some of us still don't die with bullets. Some of us can still bend steel. I've been waiting for the world to see that we exist. May I meet the beast?
Sixth Sense киногоороо үзэгчдийн сэтгэлийг хэртгэл гэж трейлер киноны шилдэг нариулагчдын игнэнд нэгдсэн Night Shyamalan-ы шинэ кино. Энэ кино түүний өмнөх бүтээл Split 2000 оны Unbreakable кинонуудтай ижил төрлийн үзэл санаа бүхий бүтээл бөгөөд Unbreakable кинонд Dan, Glass, Split кинонд Kevin нарын дүрийг тус тусад бүтээсэн бол энэ удаа эдгээр дөрүүдийг нэгтгэн нэгэн кино болгож байгаа билээ.
This is like that crazy guy in the wheelchair that they put away 15 years ago. And they gave him a funny name too. What was it?
Mr. Glass.
Өмнөх ангийн төгсгөлд Брюс Уиллис гэнт гарч ирсэн нь шинэ ангийн санааг цугуулгаж үзэгчдэд хүлээлт үүсгэсэн юм. Өөрийгөө өөдөө нэгэн мэд үзэх ноён Glass бас далд чадвартнуудын дулаан хямрал ертөнцийг аврах баатар гарч ирэх болов уу? Танд Glass кино үзхийг санал болгож байна.
What do we call you, sir?
Mr. Glass.